Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on the Wise app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Wise application on your device and then log into your account using your credentials or your biometrics. After logging in, you will be taken into the home page, from which if you wish to change your email address, tap on the account icon at the top left corner. Now from this page, tap on Settings and then tap on Privacy and Security. Now within this page, you will see your email address. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be allowed to enter your new email address. Go ahead and type in your preferred new email address within the given box, and then tap on the Continue button. Once you tap on Continue, you will be asked to verify your identity by entering your password. After entering your password, you will need to check your inbox of your new email address to find the verification code. So check your inbox and enter the verification code within the next screen, and after proceeding forward with the verification, your email address will be changed on your Wise account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on Wise. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.